it'll do the start. No, it's not. No, it's not. Now it's live.
It was live before.
No, it's not.
Are we live? Okay. Hey. Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus in Acworth, Georgia. We have a lot of fun here at Computers Plus. We like talking about technology and just keeping abreast of all the things that are happening. Hey, want to give you guys a heads up that we are going to be closed early on the 4th of July so we can spend time with our friends and family. And you should do the same thing. Got some fireworks, get the barbecue going. The 4th of July is this Tuesday. God, time goes by so fast. So we're going to also talk about, I want to reiterate about what's happening this Friday. We know tomorrow is what? Free Diagnostic Fridays. That means if you come in with your computer or laptop, we can diagnose that problem that you're having in 3 to 5 days. That gives us time to get you the information that you need so you can make the better decision on whether it's worth to fix it or whether it's not worth fixing it. And that's the one question that we talk with our customers all the time on whether does it make more sense to take that money and buy you a new unit or take that money and repair the unit. And in most cases, repairing is sometimes financially the best option. And in most cases, that I've seen that we do, you get them almost a new computer because you put a new hard drive in it, you upgrade the RAM, you do all the things. It's like taking your car in and you're getting a big tune-up and you're getting it all souped up, and now you're saying, hey, I expect this device to run for the next 3 to 4 years, and that can literally happen with a lot of people that have purchased laptops 2 to 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. I can go even further. But that typically happens, especially for some customers that are maybe be specific on having Windows XP or Windows Vista or Windows 7 because they're running some type of different type of equipment. Those are things that we can do and talk about here at Computers Plus. So take a look at our website. That's www.computersplususa.com. We have different bars there where you can actually select the actual service that you possibly may need. And you can have a conversation with a real life tech that is USA based. And I'm going to say that USA based. So 4th of July is on Tuesday. Happy 4th, happy early 4th. If I don't see you, tomorrow's Free Diagnostic Fridays, and we're going to see you guys soon. Have a great day.